Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good today. Today we have part 3 of the Kohl's shoe haul. Kohl's was having a huge summer clearance on their sandals, and I wanted to show you what I picked up because I needed some new sandals for the new upcoming season, and mine were really worn out. Now, if you watch the other two hauls, I had more kind of casual sandals like Birkenstocks or just slide-ins, and these ones I saved. I got a few dressy ones, so more with higher heels. So let's take a look and see what I got. The first pair, ooh, that's a big box too. This is from the brand So, and I'll go here so you can see. Size 6.5, and let's take the shoe out. You can see it's not the typical, oh, the box is so big. The box is so big it's covering me. It's not the typical ones that I was hauling that were really comfortable and you just slid your foot in. This is more of a nice dressy one. Look at this. Oh, then I'll show you the price again. Look how cute this is. I love me a good chunky shoe with a nice chunky, good solid heel. The bottom has a nice rubber. It's not slippery. This is how it looks like this. That's how it's like this. So a sandal, but almost like pretty much covered. You get just your little toe showing out here and then all the way up to here. It buckles up. How cute is that? And this is most definitely not just for summer, fall and winter too. Winter if it's cold, you might, maybe, but back in the spring, summer, and fall. They're really good to get you into those seasons. And let's take a look here. So these ones were $23.99. I can't see how much they were. They were $60. So let's see. It does say 60% off, so $60. Look at that. And to get them for $23.99, a nice dress shoe, very, very nice and a very good deal. Let's put these away. I can't wait. They're so nice. And of course, sometimes for fashion, you do have to suffer a bit. They're a little heavy, but not super heavy. Not that you can't wear them, but still, they're not like the nice feather ones that I previously have bought. But they're really nice. I really like them. So that was that. And then here, these ones are cropped and barrel. These ones are still comfortable, but these ones I would consider dressy. They're 6.5 right here. And these are how these look here. Ooh, look at this, Tech Comfort. So still a very comfortable shoe, and with a little heel. That's how that looks. That's how that has a zipper in the back. So you have to put it, I think you have to put it on with a zipper. Yeah, I think you do, because there's not enough room, unless it stretches. In the store I tried one, but I did it with the zipper. I took the zipper out. So a very nice shoe. I'm going to say all season again. All season shoe. There's the zipper in the back here. Zipper. The side like this. And like this. Very, very nice. Soft. It has that design. Tech Comfort. So these are not just cheap shoes that they just threw together. These are actually nice, comfy shoes. And we said these were $23.99. So very good price. This one here, Sonoma. I have two pairs from Sonoma. This is a size 6.5. And it will $14.99. Wow. $14.99. Look at that. Size 6.5. Look how fancy / dressy that one is for that price. Look at that. Is that not nice? And these ones are soft on the inside and light. Even when I was checking out, the lady at the counter said, oh, she says, they look like they would be heavy, but they're not. And I said, yeah, because they definitely are not heavy. Look at that. That's how that is. So they're not wooden or anything. They're a nice lightweight material, and these I do consider dressy because they have the higher heel. And nice for that price. It'll be nice for going out. Now that fall, hopefully. Come on, fall, hurry it up. Hurry up and get here, fall. Now that fall is on its way, slowly. Not here yet, not here yet. We're still in August, but I'm always optimistic. And here's the others. This is Sonoma, and these ones were $23.99. And it's a wedge style, 6.5. Let's see these. Ooh, and these were again light ones, the same, like the lady was checking them out. She said, So this is not wooden or anything. It's just a nice lightweight look, like little bullets here and on this side. And that's how this looks, like this. Wow, really, really nice. Just a simple classic look. And this would go with skirts, just as with the other ones, skirts, jeans. You could do with leggings and like a tunic top on top. So very nice and soft on the inside. So that's kind of what sold me too, because if it was hard to walk or they weren't comfortable on the inside, I wouldn't have even bothered. But they're very soft and very nice. So here it is, the part 3 of the haul. This was just a little one. I just wanted to show you the few dressy shoes that I got. So I hope everyone has enjoyed my haul. If you're enjoying my hauls, please hit subscribe. I'll be bringing you more hauls and anything home. And please hit the like also. And everyone, have a wonderful, wonderful evening. See everyone later. Bye, everyone.